In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Member Count Bot on Discord. If you'd like to display a live member count on your Discord server, using a Member Count Bot is a simple way to keep everyone informed about your community's growth. A live counter gives members a quick overview of your server's activity while also making your server look more organized. Once everything is set up, the bot automatically updates the statistics as members join or leave, so you won't have to update the numbers manually. To get started, open your web browser and visit the Server Stats website. This is the service you'll use to add and configure the member count bot for your Discord server. When the homepage loads, look for the Invite Bot button and click it to begin adding the bot to your Discord account. If you aren't already signed in to Discord, you'll be prompted to sign in using the account that manages the server where you want to add the bot. After signing in, Discord will display a list of servers you manage. Select the server where you'd like the member count bot to be added, then click Continue to move to the next step. Next, Discord will ask you to authorize the permissions required by the bot. These permissions allow the bot to create and manage the channels used for displaying your server statistics. Take a moment to review the requested permissions. Make sure everything looks correct, then click Authorize to complete the process. Once you've done that, the bot will be added to your Discord server. Now switch back to Discord and open the server where the bot was added. Navigate to the channel where you'd like to begin the setup process. In the message box, enter the / command for setting up the default counters exactly as required. Using the correct command ensures the bot knows which counters to create and how they should be configured. After submitting the command, give the bot a few moments to process the request. It will automatically create the necessary channels and configure the default server statistics. Depending on your server layout, you'll typically see the member count channels appear near the top of your channel list, making them easy for everyone to view. Once the setup is complete, the member count will update automatically whenever someone joins or leaves your server. This means your statistics remain accurate without requiring any manual updates, helping you keep track of your community as it grows over time. That's all there is to it. You've successfully set up a member count bot on Discord, giving your server a clean, organized way to display live member statistics for everyone to see. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,